the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, it's very clear now. Me say on say NDC no na edi ebebo mu se enua baako during 2016. I don't know man me ho na ho. Yeah, I've seen some things before God the man. Me wo na obi the screenshot ama me. Emre bi kran say wo frame me na wo US. E ma wo frame wo say wo hu caption bi mistress. And I'm catch you say me kran me screenshot.
You called me and you were
Yes. I remember.
You were very upset. You wouldn't listen to anything I have.
And I'm a catch or call no. Yes, I remember. And I'll say me bune from TNT on funny serious. I remember. Come number no screenshot number no. Who's the Instagram will be you see more than one account yeah na picture be that here. Yes. And be another dear or control papa account no. Me say I have 110 evidence that a woman will control account no, which I can send you on WhatsApp now. I approached him myself. And I say, I'm doing a Miss Bell. And all these while, all you me say, now we all supporting because the capital no the amount. Now I can't natural. And I can't say, me chasso. And I'm saying, no, me chasso. Because I did not Miss Bell, yeah, you know. Also, or the Sunday will hear it. So you want, or me now what be between the idea with you. Meanwhile, no message between you and Miss Bell, I want me phone. So Miss Bell me the PR bontia. And somehow I did no. And yeah, papa. So I spoke to my mom right now, and I'm saying, no, Miss Bell is like a big sister to me. Let me call her and let her know what is going on because the education is not funny. I have thought about this thing the whole of this morning. So I just decided, say, no, let me call you. You can record and send it to him. What Vodafone number? Have you asked me how I got a Vodafone number? Because of the messages between the two of you. You want to fuck him at the end, shower, they bro, funky, they bro. I have everything on my phone. If you catch her and say, you are doing this, yeah, I told him straight. Say, I didn't
have screenshot of my messages.
Yes.
When you're
and the phone so.
Okay.
All my pictures, any of the idea or the man, no, not your cash and I can't I have it. So I said, say no. It's not funny.
Mahama like I chose me na me managing an account.
And you know the kind you me who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write? Now see, I feel somebody by a call text saying someone for say Lodina. Like everything, I have the whole thing. Before I come ask them, oh gosh,
you saw it on his phone.
I saw it myself. I saw it myself. Say, oh, chop picture. No, they are sending, no, the caption. I can't want myself at home. I don't care. And you ask them, let me problem with your mama friend. And yeah, editing now, what edited the sending of say, and you do the I did the sending and say, you see, he's so good in bed, blah, blah, blah. Say, hey, who is doing this to me? It's your mommy friend, blogger, because I say, edit me, edit the captions. So before the man who yana no busa no when to deny him, all he said was yencha so. Now on one Emma Woye. And I was like, I don't care. But I don't know, editing in Yama bro. Or I did tell the bro, you even want him not to send me a picture on from my answer. And I will send a picture, I'm more fun to Facebook on from my answer. I saw all of them, but I didn't hear me problem. The hospital bill now, about 20 million, I can't say channel. I have everything. You know, they say me what evidence on the phone 100% and my bro. About 2,000, and I'll say a be a 500, and a be a 200, and two friends coming so. It's manufacturers are. Let's say him after Mr. Miss Bill. About one thing. Yes, it's your number. Really, I didn't view the number in the chat. And I mean, say, you even came out to say or yare man the channel. And I say, oh, our hospital bill, but only been to about and I saw it on the phone to say, I'll send you 2,000 officer. And I said, oh, outside the country, about the Bibeka woman. And I buy my friends 5K, and I'll done a sister on Taka scan 5K, what I say. I say, oh, I have them. So the reason why I called you, you can tell it to him, and you're my son. But Miss Rowe, everything, Miss Bo, I don't know what you are going through, so yes, sir, I will not blame you. Mimi I cry, my phone said Mrs. Penny. Means me for Cynthia. But we do not put the Miss Rowe. Politics na emi ni yakoye ye. Me ta chomen to me anya oboni. And maybe I will find me quite to me for say. Me I'm very careful with me Komobi. I'm free with her. What to say? What cut my car after my journey that? I don't do that. Because who come after man and can one family in class after me in Germany. It's in a minute I wasn't the damn hustle. So I beg you in the name of God. You get more money campaign. But we chasing the editor now the man on the day. Please. Baby, I would call. Apart from Papa, minimum I will send them all. And also before my whole time. Miss Bill, me one in you. Will be messages me 80, number 80. Messages how the money I have it on my drive. Do you understand? I tried to do call some interesting COVID deny, but he didn't deny. So I beg you in the name of God, please. Now you can say Obama all according in your sending. I do everything. I beg you.
I don't know where you are taking this, but I think, sir, you just want me to know, sir, you have access to his phone, and
it's not even about access to.
No, everything you're saying, I
about whole fear now, and I saw everything.
Everything.
About whole fear.
I don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know where it's going, but I get what you're trying to do. But it's fine. Are you done talking?
You see, you are still getting me wrong.
Are you done? Because I'm sitting here minding my whole business. You called to tell me all this. I don't think it's necessary what you see on his phone and what he tells you and what he cannot deny and what I don't think is necessary. It should be between you and him.
Yeah, it's not even about
I don't know what you're talking about. And
it's not even about
anything. If you have a problem and you think it's me, you can sue me because you seem to have a lot of evidence.
Why would I sue you?
No,
it's like, oh yeah.
If you have a problem and you think you have evidence, I think you should sue me. That's the best way. Everything you're calling me to tell me now, I don't know where I'm.
And you know, the American, you like you only say, like I'm coming from a good way.
Me who baby Audi fini baby Audi ko. And I maybe so say, are you done?
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you.
Yeah, I told him straight. Say, I didn't
have a screenshot of my messages.
Yes.
Unyawe.
On the phone, so.
Okay.
All my pictures, any of the idea or the man, no, natural cash and I have it. So I said, say no. Get away near medical. It's not funny.
Mahama, like I chose me managing an account.
And you're not a kind of me, who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write?